In this video, you'll learn how to change your email address in Zoho. By following these steps, you will successfully update your email address associated with your Zoho account. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Zoho homepage. You can do this by entering the URL for Zoho in the address bar. Once the page loads completely, you should see the Zoho logo and various application options displayed on the screen. Next, locate the option labeled My Account. This is typically found in the top right corner of the Zoho homepage. Clicking on My Account will direct you to your account settings where you can manage your personal information. After that, look for the section labeled Email Address within the account settings. Clicking on this will allow you to view your current email address and make necessary changes. Ensure that you are on the correct screen before proceeding to the next step. Once you are on the email address settings screen, you will see the option to delete your current email address. Click on the delete button next to your existing email. A confirmation message will appear, prompting you to confirm the deletion of the email address. When prompted, read the message carefully. It will state that deleting the primary email address will also remove all linked accounts associated with it. If you are sure about this action, click on delete to proceed. Next, you will need to add a new email address. Look for the button labeled Add Email Address and click on it. This action will open a new input field where you can enter your new email address. After clicking Add Email Address, a message will appear indicating that a one-time password or OTP will be sent to your current email address. You will need to check your email for this OTP to continue with the process. Once you retrieve the OTP, return to the Zoho interface and click on the field that says Enter your email address. Type in your new email address in the provided space. Ensure there are no typos, as this will be your new point of contact. After entering your new email address, click on the Add button to finalize the process. A confirmation message should appear indicating that your new email address has been successfully added to your account. It's important to verify that your new email address is functioning correctly. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Zoho. If you do not receive this email, ensure that you have entered the address correctly and check your spam folder. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.